Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be creating the enclosed volume for our bottle. To avoid potential problems with the bottom section of the bottle, I'm going to extend these surfaces here below the top plane. Let's activate the Extend Surface tool. And we'll select this edge. 20 millimeters should do it. OK. Let's activate the tool again, and I'll select this edge and this edge. 20 millimeters should do it. Let's click OK. Let's unselect everything in the graphic area. Activate the Trim Surface tool. Since, once again, I've got relatively simple surfaces, I'll be able to use the mutual trim method. Let's select all the surfaces. We'll just select in the graphic area. Now we make our selections to keep. And click OK. Take an isometric view. There's a way that we can check to see if we've got an enclosed volume. Let's go to Insert, Thicken. Surface Trim 2 is already pre-selected. Down below, we've got the option to create a solid from enclosed volume. The fact that this checkbox is available indicates that I do indeed have an enclosed volume. So we're in good shape. We can cancel out of this tool. We don't need to use it right now. And this concludes our lesson about creating an enclosed volume.